Virtual backgrounds are a simple way to improve professionalism, protect privacy, align with your brand, and reduce distractions when working with remote callers. StudioEdge includes a virtual background feature powered by NVIDIA, which lets you place an image or video behind your Zoom, Microsoft Teams, and StudioCall callers. There is no need for a green screen or special lighting on the caller side, and the best part is that you can configure and enable backgrounds centrally from the StudioEdge interface. In this video, we will walk through how to add a virtual background in StudioEdge, from configuring your file paths to enabling the background on a live caller. First thing you will need to do is tell StudioEdge where you want your background files to be stored. To do this, from the StudioEdge interface, go to the top right corner and click Settings. Within the General tab, you will find the Virtual Background Video path and Virtual Background Image path. If these have never been changed, they will use the default Windows folders for the StudioEdge user, typically the default Videos and Pictures folders on the system drive. If you want to keep your virtual backgrounds in a different folder, click in each field and enter the folder path you want to use for videos and the folder you want to use for images. When you have chosen your paths, click Save, which will store the changes. Now that you know your file paths, you are ready to upload your image and video background files. Access the desktop of the StudioEdge system and open the folder locations configured as your virtual background video path and virtual background image path. If you have not changed these, the default setting will be the Videos and Pictures directories. Copy or save your chosen images into the image path and your chosen background videos into the video path. For best results, make sure your background resolution matches your StudioEdge video format. For example, if your StudioEdge video format is 1080 I59.94, your background image should be 1920 by 1080 pixels. This helps avoid scaling and keeps your background crisp without black borders. Once your files are in place, return to the StudioEdge web interface. Now, within the channel, you wish to add a virtual background. Ensure the Features tab is selected. If the Features option appears empty, like in Channel 2, simply assign the channel to a Zoom, Microsoft Teams, or StudioCall caller, and the features will appear. Locate Virtual Background in the list of features and click the Settings cog next to it. This pop-up window will show the image and video files from the paths you configured earlier. If you have just uploaded new files and they do not appear, click the refresh icon to reload the file list. Select the image or video you want to use as the caller background. When you are happy with your selection, click Save, which will confirm the virtual background for this channel. With the background chosen, all that remains is to switch it on for your caller. Simply toggle the virtual background switch to on. StudioEdge will now apply the selected image or video behind your remote caller in real time. Image and video backgrounds are set on a per channel basis. So if you wish to use the same image or video on a different StudioEdge channel, you will need to repeat the steps of selecting the settings cog and choosing the appropriate image or video file for that channel. So that is how you add a virtual background in QuickLink StudioEdge, covering how to customize your video and image folder, how to upload your files to the selected folders, and how to enable your background on your remote guests. For more how-to videos and detailed guides on StudioEdge features, visit the QuickLink knowledge base.